LogixOne Operator allows you to categorize jobs to further enable you to filter by those categories. So for example, you can see I'm here in the console. I have all of my jobs showing for a particular period this week. And then if I want to, I can click on, say, just maintenance. And then that will just filter jobs that are categorized as maintenance. But I can also multi-select. So I can say, show me maintenance and show me preventive maintenance jobs. And then you'll see the preventative maintenance job. You'll also notice that when you hover over the different jobs, you'll see that we have the preventative maintenance label, category label associated to that. And then you can quickly untick these. All right, so now what I'm going to do is demonstrate how you actually set up your job categories. Okay, so like everything inside LogixOne Operator, it is very tightly integrated into Zoho CRM. And it does that because then we leverage the CRM capability of Zoho as well as the field service management capability of LogixOne. So every job has an underlying Zoho CRM sales order, which we call a job card, or a Zoho CRM invoice, which we call a completed job card. So what I'm going to do is just open up any one of these job cards. And you can see this is the job card for that job. And if I scroll down here, we will find the category. Here it is here. Okay. And then what we need to do is we need to set those. This field here is what's called a multi-select box. You can see, or a drop-down box you can see here. And so what we're going to do is set our categories for our different jobs. And to do that is quite easy. All you need to do is go in and edit the module from the back end of Zoho CRM. So you can see I'm in the sales order module, and I am looking at the layout here. And then if I come here and scroll down, you can see there's my L1 job category field, which gets installed with LogixOne Operator. If you don't have this, please ensure that your LogixOne Operator marketplace extension is up to date. But all I need to do is click here, click Edit Properties, and then here I have all of my job categories here. And so I can remove them or I can create a new one. So I'll come here, I'll create a new one called, we've already got installation. We'll call this install, that'll do. And then we'll just click done. And so now we have that there, and we'll just save that. And then if we come back into LogixOne Operator, we'll close this, and you see this little button here. If you click that, you'll now see that we now have an install category here. All right, so that's how you would edit your different categories. All right, so now how do you assign a category to a job? Well, it's very easy. When you click Create Job, you'll notice now we have a category field here, and here you can select that. So if you select Install here and create your job the normal way, then that job will be assigned to the install category, and therefore you'll be able to filter by the install category. All right, so that's all about LogixOne categories.